Spotify has integrated with a wide variety of social media apps, and in this guide, we'll show you how to directly add Spotify music to your Instagram story. And stay with us until the end for a bonus tip on linking Instagram accounts. Let's get started. Swipe in from the left on the home screen to start a brand new Instagram story. Capture a photo or choose one from your device. Tap the stickers button at the top of the story editing interface. It looks like a smiley sticker being peeled back. From the subsequent menu, select the music sticker. Use the search music field to find the song you want to add to your Instagram story, then tap it. Utilize the slider along the bottom to customize where the song starts and ends in your Instagram story. You can also adjust how the text appears when the lyrics play over your story. Once you're done, tap Done, then Your Story. To share a song on Instagram, go to the Spotify app, locate the song you'd like to share, and press the three dots button next to it. Select Share and choose Instagram Story. Make sure you're already logged into your account before proceeding. Finally, tap Your Story. The job done. Now, for a bonus tip on linking Instagram accounts together, go to the account settings and scroll down to the Meta Account Center. Tap Add Account and log into your existing account. Once you've signed into the second account, it will appear in the account drop-down menu. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, visit our full playlist of Instagram tutorials.